Hello everyone, Palumbo here. Before we start the video, you're innocent until proven guilty. The question for the Friday is, how reliable are the PJ files, folks? Can you rely on them? Are they translated correctly? In other words, in front of you, you have Ricardo Olivera's statement. Ricardo was the tapas bar waiter, and he actually served the meals to the McCanns and their friends at the tapas bar. Underneath tapas bar waiter, you will see in blue, it says 266 to 268, witness statement of Ricardo Alexandra de Luz Olivera, dated 2007 0506, which means, according to this, Ricardo made his statement on the 6th of May 2007. Now, if I scroll down, or underneath the blue, you will see it says translations by INS. So INS translated the pages from Portuguese into English. As you can see here, you have Ricardo Alexandra de Luz Olivera. The translation with regards to the date and time does not say the 6th, does it, folks? 2007. It says Ricardo Alexandra de Luz Olivera, according to the English translation, made his statement in 2007, January the 30th, folks, at 9 o'clock. Now, how can that go from being 2007 May the 6th to 2007 the 1st of January, folks? How can a translation go from that? Well, you can say to yourselves, well, maybe INS doing the translations has just translated it wrongly and they put the wrong date in. They should have put 2007, the 5th, the 6th. But they put 2007, the 1st, 30th, which means it's the 30th of January 2007. Now that would be 4 months before Madeleine had gone missing, folks. That's impossible, isn't it? So maybe you say to yourselves, well, INS has got it wrong when they've done the translations. But to the left-hand side here, these are the Portuguese statements, folks. So they are in Portuguese. And INS has translated these statements from those Portuguese statements into English. So you would assume that if I clicked on this one here, the date and the time on top of that statement with regards to Ricardo Olivera would be the actual date Ricardo made his statement. And it wouldn't be 2007 0130. You would not assume that that would be on that Portuguese statement, because it's supposedly a copy of the actual statements the Portuguese have typed up. And you would expect to see on that statement the date 2007 0506. You would not expect to see 2007 0130 as INS has put in the translations. So let's see what date the official Portuguese translation, Portuguese police have put on Ricardo Olivera's statement and when he made that statement, folks. Like I said, you would expect it to be date and time 2007 0506. So like I said, folks, this is the copy of the Portuguese statement of Ricardo Alexandre de Luz Oliveira. And at the top there, you could see data de diligencia or diligencia. Now, what's the date on that, folks? Does it say 2007 0506? Or does it actually say the date that is translated into English? It actually says that Ricardo made his statement in Lagos on the 30th of January 2007 at 9 o'clock, folks. And that's an official Portuguese statement, supposedly. How can an official copy of a Portuguese statement have the date the 30th of January 2007 when Ricardo Olivera made his statement? When Madeleine was supposed to have gone missing 4 months later on the 3rd of May 2007. You see, when INS translated the statements from Portuguese to English, they translated the date as they seen it on an official Portuguese copy statement. So they did not make a mistake. They copied the same date that was on the Portuguese statements. And as you can see on the top, it says 2007 0130. Now they are telling you on an official Portuguese statement that Ricardo Olivera made his statement on the 30th of January 2007, folks, at 9 o'clock. And the question I am asking is, how is that possible? And that's why I asked, are the PJ files reliable? It's impossible, folks. Makes you think.